video a little bit different. We're gonna go out to eat, so I'm gonna try and film because we have Evelyn, if you can hear her in the back, my grandma, everyone's here.
Like and subscribe.
So we'll see. And it's a gloomy day, so we're gonna eat. What are we gonna eat, Arya? Ramen. Are you ready to eat? This place, I think we've been to it once before. Twice? Like a long time ago, but
Oh, 4 and oh, 3.
today's a really gloomy day, so I think like ramen's perfect, right? And it's
soup.
what?
And it has soup, so it can
Yeah.
warm us up. We're eating our little dumplings.
Bonito?
Our little dumplings. They're like a fork.
Pancakes are so good.
Yeah, it's like the softest, and it's so good. It's like I don't have to describe it. It's just so soft.
The meat is falling apart. It is so flavorful. It's delicious.
I hope that you like this video and subscribe.
Jova, ¿está rico?
Mamá, diga mamá.
Oh, sí, dice mamá también. ¿No?
The ramen is so flavorful.
Yeah, my mom always wanted one of these, but she already ate one of these before, but she didn't remember. Remember, Mom? Look at the camera.
And they're really big portions. The huevito.
Also, we forgot to say the name of the place.
I got it.
Oh,
That egg is so good.
this is our first vlog.
This is one of my favorite parts, the egg and the ramen.
And then
It's so hard to film with your hand with my finger all wrapped up. These are so good. Also, I think these are the bamboo.
we have to try those. Is that like the last one or?
Let me see if I have more. Yeah, I think that was all. Sorry. I have one more piece of meat.
I didn't like the meat that much. And you should never do a video if it's too loud. When you're watching, you're gonna say, what do you say I can't hear?
วันนี้คืออยากโดย
I got the spicy one. Aria got the regular one. I'm feeling the spice now.
Huh?
I'm finally feeling the spice.
You're done.
We're done.
Did you like this video?
Did you like the food?
Yeah.